So now what do you do with all that leftover almond meal or oatmeal or coconut meal that you have after you've made your fresh homemade milk? You can also use it to make vegan butter, where the recipes are all on the website, but the recipe calls for 4 sticks of butter and you pour it into silicone molds. Personally, I don't want to pour anything into silicone, so I bought this butter dish here, and the one recipe you can pour the entire thing and make one big butter dish right here. And you can use this lid for also a serving dish for the butter. So it's kind of dual purpose. You can even make pastries, some of them even keto friendly, with your nut milk.